My first step is cutting down some plywood to a more manageable piece. I'm ripping this 12 inches wide because the drawer I'm making is only going to be 12 inches deep in the table saw fence. Next I'm ripping two sides, just shy of 1.5 inches. I measured exactly 1.5 inches between the square tubing, so I'm making these just shy so they slide easier. Next I'm ripping two pieces at 2¼ inches for the bottom, but also the front and back. And now I have to watch out for this rivet in the fence, so for the bottom piece I have to raise that up a bit. What I'm doing is I'm adding a 1/4 inch dado to both of the side pieces, and this will be a 1/4 inch from the bottom of those sides. Next I need a faceplate, and this will prevent the drawer from sliding too far in the tube. This will be 1¾ by 3 inches. Here's a trick I'm using with some tape. Just taping the side here, and then I'm going to fold that over on the metal tube. And this way I can actually hold the drawer in place while I fit the faceplate against it here. I'm just using 2P10 CA glue to attach this. But with that tape I can hold the drawer so I can apply pressure while attaching this.